Hello everyone, welcome back to TinaTeach Python. Our goal for today is learning about the different types of Python numbers. So the focus is all about numbers today and how we can code them into our Python project. So Python has three numeric types, okay? You have int, float, and complex. And here are the examples, right? So with x as an int, you have 1. Y as a float, you have 1.5. Now looking at this, you can sort of more or less tell that x int is for integer and it refers to whole numbers, right? Positive, negative. And y is all about decimal for float. And z, complex numbers, we have the letter J accompanying it. Now, as I've mentioned in previous lessons, if you want to see what sort of types a variable is, you use a function called type, and you just simply print it out. Print, type, and input the variable that you want to see, right? And please do be reminded of the two parentheses right here. You do have to close them properly. Okay, now let's explore the first numeric type that we're dealing with, int, or as I've mentioned, integer. It's all about whole number, positive or negative, and it has unlimited length, okay? Well, not technically unlimited, but it is unlimited in the sense that it's so big that you won't really have to, think of it, or it won't be an issue to you. Now, here are the examples that we have. We have 2, and we have whatever this is, and then we have a negative number, whole numbers, 1, 1, 10, 9, whatever. Next up, float. Float is short for floating point number. Now that's a long name, but really what it is just decimals, right? Positive or negative decimals. You have 2.6, you have 1.0. Okay, now we have complex. So complex, we have J as the imaginary part. For example, 3 plus 5j, 225j, negative 789j, right? Now, this is a new function that I haven't introduced to you before. So we can actually convert the types, right? So when you assign a value to a variable, you don't have to explicitly declare the types. Python just automatically assumes based on the syntax and the value you put in. But however, you can actually convert those types, right? So you can convert one type to another. And how do you do that? You simply write the type that you want to convert, parentheses, and put in the variable that has the value that you want to convert, right? So for example, we have x equals 1, and then we have a, and we want to convert this integer of 1 into a float. So we said float, parentheses, x. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Now with this lesson, there won't be any sort of demonstration because this is really simple. And remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.